We just got this brand new garment rack and I'm so excited because I have clothes all over the place and I have nowhere to put them. So if you've never used one of these, you are truly missing out. I do have a different one and it is so fantastic. Such an easy way and such a great space saving way to kind of just hang up all of your clothes. This one here is fully metal. I do also want to point out, look how well it came packaged. I think this is really awesome. And as you can see, everything here is labeled, so it's going to make it really easy. So it's metal. The tubes are just going to be twisting into each other. Of course, you're going to have some screws as well. This is on wheels, and the wheels do a 360-degree turn, and they are also lockable as well because we don't want that rolling all over the place. This can actually hold up to 180 pounds. So of course you have the bar across the top, and that is where you're going to have your hangers. You can hang some clothes, and then on each side it actually sticks out a little bit, so you can even like hang a purse. You can kind of hang your hat on there if you want to, and then down on the bottom you can even put like little bins if you want, so you can organize yourself, or you can put your shoes down there, or you can just like fold up big heavy thicker coats if you want to and have them down there. Obviously the possibilities are absolutely endless, but it's just a really great way to help stay organized, and just like it looks really nice. This one here is black. It also comes in gold, white, and pink as well.